Good evening everybody, welcome to another Exchange video. In today's video we're looking at the mailbox import-export role. This role doesn't exist when you do an installation of Exchange. You have to go and create it and assign users to it. To do this you would run the following command: new management role assignment role, and you give it a name as it would appear in Active Directory, and you would grant the user access that would need to run these commands. If we head over to Active Directory under the Microsoft Exchange security groups, you'll notice that the mailbox import-export management group is here now, and if I go into it you'll notice that it's empty. The second part of this is actually creating a share, and I've created a folder called mailbox exports, but to allow Exchange to access this directory, you need to share it, and you need to grant permissions to the Exchange Trusted Subsystem. Right. Now that that's done, if I take the current user and I try and run the command, I just want to show you that it will not exist for the user. So new mailbox export. So you can see I'm tabbing, nothing's happening because this user doesn't have access to do that. So what we do is we go back to Active Directory and we add the user. Now, depending on how big your environment is, Active Directory replication has to take place. First of all, for this group to appear, and secondly, for the user to be able to run the command. If we go back here, let's see if mine is quick enough. Okay, it's running the import of the commands, commandlets. Then we go new mailbox. As you can see now, the new mailbox export requests is available for this user and can carry on exporting to PST files or importing PST files. Thank you for watching.